shower that is flooding, most likely is because there's hair under the drainer. So just take your drainer away and see, oh, this is one of the ladies' bathroom, and it tends to have a lot of ladies' hair. And when they're blocked, basically just the water doesn't flow out. So if you clear it, you just simply take them out, and it should clear the thing. So look at that. So disgusting. Okay, once you clear all the hair, put your drainer back, and there should be, if you're brave enough, you can put your hand in, and there should be more hair underneath the, look at the gooey stuff. Just clear the hair first. Alright, so after the hair is all clear, you put this back, it should be alright. I don't want to stick my hand in there, because this is, I think that should be enough. Let's give it a run. And as the extra bonus, when you turn on the hot water, before the water becomes hot, so you know when you have the cold water coming out and before it becomes hot, you can actually use that water to sort of spray around the area, and then use your feet to sort of clean it. That way you will keep your bathroom a lot cleaner than this. And that is a bonus tip for you. And see you in the next video. Bye for now.